Welcome to the channel, where we delve into the captivating realm of technology and its profound influence on our daily lives. Today, we are embarking on an exhilarating exploration of the revolution that artificial intelligence, AI, has unleashed upon the world, coupled with the remarkable advancements in robotics technologies. AI has emerged as an unstoppable force, driving a wave of innovation that has forever changed industries and reshaped the very fabric of our existence. In this video, we will embark on a journey of discovery, delving into the fundamental principles of AI, examining its current state, and unraveling the captivating potential it holds for the future. Join us as we venture into the realm of AI and uncover the mysteries that lie within its depths. To truly grasp the revolution of AI, it's essential to understand what AI is and how it works. Artificial intelligence refers to the development of computer systems capable of performing tasks that would typically require human intelligence. These tasks include learning, reasoning, problem-solving, perception, and language understanding. AI systems process vast amounts of data, identify patterns, and make informed decisions based on the information they've learned. While AI strives to mimic human intelligence, there are key differences between the two. While humans possess general intelligence, enabling them to excel in a wide range of tasks, AI systems are more specialized and focused on specific domains. Humans also possess emotional intelligence, creativity, and a deeper understanding of context, which are areas where AI still struggles to replicate human capabilities. The journey of AI can be traced back to the 1950s, when the term was first coined. Early AI systems relied on rule-based programming and symbolic reasoning, attempting to replicate human decision-making processes. However, it wasn't until the advent of machine learning in the 1980s that AI truly began to advance. Machine learning algorithms enabled systems to learn from data, improving their performance over time. Machine learning plays a crucial role in the evolution of AI. It allows AI systems to analyze vast amounts of data, recognize patterns, and make predictions or decisions based on that information. Through techniques like supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning, AI models can acquire knowledge and improve their performance through experience. In the healthcare industry, AI is revolutionizing patient care and diagnoses. AI-powered systems can analyze medical images, such as X-rays and MRIs, with remarkable accuracy, aiding in early disease detection. AI algorithms can also analyze patient data and suggest personalized treatment plans, improving outcomes and reducing medical errors. The transportation industry is experiencing a significant transformation with the emergence of autonomous vehicles. AI algorithms enable these vehicles to perceive and interpret their surroundings, making real-time decisions to navigate safely. With the potential to reduce accidents, enhance traffic management, and improve fuel efficiency, autonomous vehicles are set to revolutionize transportation. AI is revolutionizing the finance industry by transforming data analysis and fraud detection. AI algorithms can quickly analyze vast amounts of financial data, detect patterns, and make predictions. This enables financial institutions to make better-informed decisions, identify fraudulent activities, and enhance security measures. Robotics technologies powered by AI are revolutionizing automation and efficiency in various industries. AI-powered robots can perform repetitive tasks with precision, speed, and consistency. By taking over mundane and physically demanding tasks, these robots free up human workers to focus on more complex and creative endeavors, increasing productivity and overall efficiency. Collaborative robots, also known as cobots, are designed to work alongside humans, enhancing productivity and safety. These robots are equipped with advanced sensors and AI algorithms that enable them to collaborate with humans on tasks. Cobots are particularly useful in industries like manufacturing, where they can assist with assembly, quality control, and hazardous operations. As AI continues to advance, ethical considerations become increasingly important. It is crucial to ensure that AI systems are designed and implemented in a way that serves humanity's best interests. This includes addressing issues such as privacy, transparency, bias, and accountability in AI decision-making. The rise of AI and automation raises concerns about job displacement. While some jobs may be replaced by AI systems, new opportunities will also emerge. It is essential for individuals and organizations to prioritize reskilling and upskilling to adapt to the changing job landscape and leverage the new roles created by AI. In the future, AI will further permeate our everyday lives. Smart homes equipped with AI-powered systems will enhance convenience and automation. Personal assistants like Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant will become more sophisticated, understanding natural language and executing complex tasks seamlessly. One of the most remarkable frontiers in the realm of AI lies in the advancements of natural language processing and speech recognition. As these technologies continue to evolve, they hold the potential to revolutionize human-machine interaction in unprecedented ways. Imagine a future where AI systems can comprehend and respond to human speech with astonishing accuracy, creating an immersive and seamless conversational experience. The progress made in natural language processing enables AI systems to understand the nuances of human language, including context, semantics, and even emotions. By analyzing speech patterns and contextual cues, AI systems can decipher the intended meaning behind our words, enabling more natural and intuitive conversations. This transformative development opens up a world of possibilities across various domains. In the realm of customer service, AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants will be able to engage in meaningful and context-aware dialogues with customers, providing personalized and efficient support. Gone will be the days of frustrating and rigid interactions, as AI systems will possess the ability to understand complex queries, provide accurate responses, and even anticipate the needs of customers. Moreover, the marriage of natural language processing with speech recognition technology unlocks new horizons for virtual assistants like Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant. These virtual companions will become more than just voice-activated search engines. They will become true conversational partners, capable of engaging in sophisticated and dynamic discussions. Whether it's seeking information, controlling smart home devices, or even having lighthearted banter, these AI-powered assistants will seamlessly integrate into our lives, becoming indispensable companions. As natural language processing and speech recognition continue to evolve, their impact will be far-reaching. They will enhance accessibility for individuals with disabilities, enable more efficient communication in business settings, and even aid in language learning by providing real-time feedback and guidance. We hope this video has shed light on the incredible advancements in this field and inspired you to dive deeper into the exciting world of AI. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest content. Until next time, keep exploring, learning, and embracing the revolution of AI.